In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link to a PDF document. Creating a clickable link to a PDF is really useful when you want to share documents online, like reports, menus, instructions, or forms. Instead of attaching big files to every email or message, you can upload the PDF once, get a link, and then share that link anywhere you like. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the general process so you understand what's happening at each stage and can repeat it whenever you need. First, make sure you have your PDF file saved somewhere you can easily find it, like your desktop or a dedicated Documents folder. It helps to give the file a clear, descriptive name, so when people click the link later, they instantly know what they're opening. For example, something like Project Guide PDF is much better than document1.pdf. Next, you'll need a place online to host your PDF. This could be a cloud storage service, your website, or a document sharing platform. The idea is the same. You upload the PDF from your computer to an online location that can generate a shareable link. Look for an Upload or New File button. Then choose your PDF from your files and confirm the upload. Wait until it finishes. Larger files can take a bit longer. Once the PDF is uploaded, the platform will usually give you options to share it. This is where you create the actual link. Find something that says Share, Get Link, or Copy Link. When you click that, you should see a web address that points directly to your PDF. Before you copy it, check the access settings. Decide whether anyone with the link can view it, or whether it's restricted to specific people. For public sharing, you typically want anyone with the link can view, not edit. After the settings look right, copy that link. Now you can paste it into an email, a chat message, a document, or even turn it into a clickable hyperlink on a website or inside a text editor. If you're adding it to text, highlight the words you want to be clickable. Choose the option to insert a link and paste your PDF link there. Finally, always test the link yourself. Open it in a browser window where you're not signed in as an administrator if possible to make sure it opens the PDF exactly as your audience will see it. If it works and the permissions look correct, you're done. You've successfully created a link to your PDF document.